Good morning, kiddos. I wanted to do a quick video on how to get onto Canvas. So I started in my class link, and you scroll down to where you see this. It should be at the bottom, unless they've made it in alphabetical order. Find Canvas. Click this for yourself. Once you open it, you should have your different classes in here. You should have all classes: English, Science, Math, Social Studies, Enrichment. You should have some sort of art maybe. You might have a PE. I don't know what yours looks like specifically, but you should have all classes on here. I'm going to open up this and show you what your student view looks like. So your view will look something like this when you open up Math. So this page starts out with a welcome. Please read all of it. It's simple things that you need to know. I will want to say, every time you see something like this that's hyperlinked, if you click it, it opens up a new page. So here are some expectations that we're expecting from you, but I'll let you read that later. I want to go back to the home here. There's a quick video again for Canvas help, not just me showing you, but it shows you a little bit more. My contact information, parents, guardians, if you need my phone number, please let me know, and I'll send it to you directly on ClassDojo or a text message. Completion grades. Here's a big thing. You will receive a lot of grades this week. Everything in the module for the week needs to be completed by Sunday at 5 p.m. If it's not, it's late. It is a 0 until it's turned in. So it's the same thing just like class. It is a 0 until I get something turned in on this computer. School materials, make sure you have these. Everyone should have a device by now. If you do not have a device for some reason, you need to let me or Miss Hudson know so we can get one to you, because this is our expectations. So we're expecting everybody to have some sort of a device. If you don't have internet, if you're not getting something done, please again reach out, let us know, so that way we can make note and figure out what to do. We might send you some paper, we might send you something else that you can get done for a grade, because this is now our learning platform. So this is now our school. So we're expecting everything to be done. So your announcement page is quick things. I might remind you, hey, don't forget to do this. I might send out a web page to look at, something like this, just quick reminders. The modules where you need to look at. So your first module up here is your at-home learning orientation. These are your expectations again. These are how to learn, simple questions you might ask, and the Canvas overview. This is where you need to look at. Now, don't go clicking to all of this stuff. And if I need to hide it, I probably should. But I'm going to tell you, you need to look at the agenda. So I'm going to click on the agenda, and this is everything you're doing for the week, all the way till Friday. Now, it may look like a lot, but I promise it's okay. You'll be fine. So, like I said before, when you see a hyperlink, something like this, it's blue and it lights up. That's how you're going to get to everything you're doing for the day. So Monday, I have a couple videos on here. I said after you watch a video, complete the discussion question. So I'm going to click that discussion question, and it'll pop up here. So then I know I need to be working on this. You need to click reply and then write something here. Now, You'll click reply, and that's how you're going to add stuff. You may want to add a picture. You can. So if I come here to where it says embed image, you need to download the image first, whatever you're doing, and you can click open something. If I ask for a video on YouTube, you can come over here and click open video on YouTube. You can make your own video on YouTube if that's how you want to submit your answers. Make a video on YouTube and then find yourself on this button. Then you can submit it that way. You can also, here you go, insert more. So this is a source, so an internet website. So you would embed it here. That's a little fancy, but just simply write a question. Then you'll put post reply. I'm not going to post reply right now, but that's what you would do. So then I would go back to my module and my agenda, and that was my first step. Next, go and complete the following link, at least 2 of each type of graph on digital tools and resources. So I'm going to click here. It tells me that I need to read through here. Oh, look, there's my discussion question I just looked at. Maybe I can check and hint for a problem too. And then it asks you to go here to digital tools. So you're going to click 2 of these that you can complete, and then you'll go back here, and there's an assignment that goes with it. So I'm going to click that assignment to open it up. Do you see why you need to stay on the agenda? You can't just go and click a bunch of things. You don't know what you're doing, right? So these are the things that you'll answer. And so forth. So that's a quick overview of everything. Let me know what questions, comments you have, and I'll help as any way I can.